corner. You just get out. Look. I'll go in behind you and help you around the corner. Get out. I know what you're talking about. Okay, get ready, go. Go, Gage. Watch where you're steering. Keep going. Keep going.
Good job.
I didn't get hurt.
No.
Okay, get on.
He even followed the style.
Because I'm tough.
There, just like that.
Okay.
Hold me so I don't fall.
Okay, ready? Ready? Here you go.
There he goes.
There you go. Guess what? I was running with him the whole time.
I know.
Look at how fast he learns. And he's moving his body to adjust.
Yep.
Okay, you're doing it.